Antioxidants. Antioxidants are the molecules which are having additional electrons so that they can give the electrons to the free radicals and make them neutral. However, these antioxidants themselves do not convert them into free radicals because of their stability nature even after donating the electrons. So, there are many different types of antioxidants in the body which are generated as a normal process. Apart from these level of antioxidants produced in the body are not sufficient because of the modern modern lifestyle factors. So we need to take additional antioxidants in our diet. There are many antioxidants that we take during the normal diet. First we will know about the how the antioxidants which are produced in the body combat with the free radical mechanism. First, you can see that there is a vitamin called vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. This is the structure of the vitamin E. This vitamin E helps in scavenging or neutralizing the lipid peroxyl radical. When the free radical attacks the lipid, then it is called a lipid peroxyl radical. You can see that vitamin E has a tendency to donate an electron, this electron, to this lipid peroxide radical, as a result of which lipid peroxide radical gets neutralized. However, the vitamin E gets converted into vitamin E radical. This vitamin E radical E, has one electron deficient, but vitamin E radical takes electron from other vitamins like vitamin C, which is ascorbate, which makes the vitamin E radical gets converted into healthy vitamin. However, the ascorbate gets converted into semi-ascorbate radical. This radical again takes the electrons from other endogenous antioxidants produced in the body. So this is a structure for the vitamin C. This vitamin C gets converted into semi-hydroascorbic acid because of the neutralizing of vitamin E. This semi-hydroxyascorbic acid gets converted into dehydroascorbic acid. Main food sources for vitamin E are cereals, sunflowers, almonds. Cereals contain high amounts of vitamin E. Food sources which have more amounts of vitamin C are red pepper, orange juice, kiwi fruit. However, the lowest amount is with green peas, spinach, cooked spinach, tomato raw. Next, apart from these two vitamins, there are also other constituents in the food like beta carotene. Beta carotene is mainly found in carrots. This beta carotene also has the tendency to donate electron to quench singlet oxygen. Singlet oxygen is also a type of free radical. This singlet oxygen is quenched by this beta carotene. Quenching means there are two types of quenching: chemical and physical quenching. Chemical singlet oxygen is nothing but the excited state of oxygen. So beta carotene and of course all the carotenoids help in physical quenching of the singlet oxygen, which means they de-excite the excited oxygen atom. They take the energy from the excited oxygen atom and again drops it into the ground state. Next type of antioxidant is a melatonin. Melatonin is the antioxidant. Melatonin and estrogen are also the antioxidants which are produced in the body, which have specific functions in different areas of the body. These are all the supplements for the different antioxidants. Next antioxidant is the dihydrolipoic acid. You can see that in the case of dihydrolipoic acid, there are two electrons. These hydrogen, there are two hydrogen in excess. The dihydrolipoic acid can donate these two hydrogens to the free radicals, thereby neutralizing it. However, the dihydrolipoic acid, after donating, gets converted into lipoic acid. This lipoic acid again gets converted into dihydrolipoic acid by the enzymatic mechanisms in the body, as shown here. This is the extracellular and intracellular region. This is the lipoic acid. Dihydro This lipoic acid gets converted into dihydrolipoic acid by an enzyme, by this dihydro by the conversion of cysteine to cysteine. So this dihydrolipoic acid can function as antioxidants both extracellular and intracellular regions. So this slide gives an overview of all the endogenous antioxidants produced in the body. First, vitamin E gets converted into vitamin E radical. This vitamin E radical again gets converted into vitamin E, healthy vitamin, by the ascorbate. Ascorbate gets converted into dihydroascorbate. This dihydroascorbate is again getting converted into vitamin C by the action of dihydrolipoic acid. This dihydrolipoic acid donates the uh, hydrogens to the electrons and electrons to the dihydroascorbate, leading to the formation of healthy vitamin C. However, the vitamin E radical is also neutralized by ubiquinone moiety. Ubiquinone gets converted into ubiquinol, and ubiquinol gets converted into ubiquinone as a cyclic process. In the case of ubiquinol, there is an additional hydrogen which is donated to the vitamin E radical, thereby neutralizing to the healthy vitamin. So as you can see that there are many molecules which are responsible for the whole antioxidant mechanism in the body. They are helping each other to carry out the antioxidant mechanism in the body. Next, there is another antioxidant called glutathione. Glutathione is also named as GSH because of the abbreviation glutathione SH. SH is the thiol group present in the glutathione moiety. Next, as you can see that GSH can act as a antioxidant, but GSSG cannot act as an antioxidant because two GSH molecules combine to form a GSSG molecule. So here as two GHS molecules are involved, two hydrogen these two hydrogens can be transferred to the free radicals, as a result of which the free radicals get neutralized. So in this way, glutathione SH can also act as an antioxidant in the body. Next antioxidant which can be taken into consideration is the uric acid. Next antioxidant is the bilirubin. How this bilirubin is acting as an antioxidant? As you can see that bilirubin is formed because of the metabolic conversion of heme to biliverdin, and then biliverdin to bilirubin by an action of enzyme biliverdin reductase. This enzyme biliverdin reductase is important for the bilirubin to act as an antioxidant, because here you can see that bilirubin is the reduced form of biliverdin. So bilirubin has an additional hydrogen atoms which can be donated to the lipophilic reactive oxygen species, which means that free radicals, and neutralize these free radicals, and then the bilirubin gets converted into oxidized form like biliverdin. However, there is enough amount of biliverdin reductase which is produced in the body. So even if bilirubin is getting converted into biliverdin, it again gets converted into bilirubin by the action of enzyme biliverdin reductase. Next antioxidant which is taken as a part of diet is a lycopene. The tomatoes are the rich source of the lycopene. Lycopene also acts as a mechanism in similar to the beta carotene because they both come under the class of carotenoids. Next is the zeaxanthin, which is also a carotene, which is found in the leaves of Theacynesis, which means tea plant. Next group of phytoconstituents which can be taken as a part of diet are flavonoids. Example of such flavonoid is a quercetin. Flavonoids acts as antioxidant because of the hydrogen atom donating property. Here you can see that there are many hydrogens which are in the which are in the position to be donated by the flavonoids. So high flavonoid content containing foods are onion, kale, bickerly kale, green bean, broccoli, orange juice, cranberry. Medium flavonoid content containing foods are salad, tomato, bell pepper, strawberry, broad bean, apple, grape, red wine, tea, and tomato juice. Low flavonoid containing foods are cabbage, carrot, mushroom, pea, spinach, peach, white wine, and coffee. Apart from flavonoids, there are also other compounds like phenolic compounds, which are also almost similar to the structure of flavonoids, but they lack a ketone group at this position. Here also the phenolic compounds also act as antioxidant because of the hydrogen donating property. Example of such phenolic compound is a catechin. Foods that contain high amounts of catechin are chocolate, beans, apricot, cherry. Low amounts are present in black tea, red wine, and green tea. So these are the main antioxidants, both endogenous means which are produced in the body, and exogenous means which are to be taken in the diet. Exogenous antioxidants like carotenoids, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds, and endogenous antioxidants like vitamins, vitamin E, vitamin C, glutathione, ubiquinone, and bilirubin and dihydrolipoic acid. I think this video gives an overview of both the endogenous and exogenous antioxidants and their functions and mechanism of how they act as antioxidants in the body and neutralize the free radicals. Thank you.